New printed vinyls just dropped at Sew Yours. 3 bold animal prints, 4 exclusive printed vinyls designed by me, and 2 faux woven vinyls that look like fabric but sew like vinyl. First up, animal print vinyls. These prints are bold, clean, and easy to work with on everything from a domestic to an industrial sewing machine. Midnight Leopard, matte black on black with a subtle shimmer for a modern edge. Savannah Leopard, warm tan with black spots. Snow Leopard, soft neutrals with a clean, subtle vibe. These printed vinyls have a great texture. They're perfect for exteriors, accents, and flap details. You're going to love sewing with the animal print vinyls, whether you're on a domestic or an industrial sewing machine. Next, printed vinyls designed by me, exclusive to Sew Yours. These feature original artwork with a cracked texture finish. Rustic petals, cream and tan florals on a chocolate brown background, cozy, vintage aspire, and perfect for fall. You can see it featured in a bag made by our employee Sharon, paired with our milled grain faux leather in the color caramel, and lined with our Linertech shimmer in the color teal. Rustic Reeds, a cozy bookshelf scene layered with wood grain and vintage style spines, great for teacher gifts and book lovers. Painter's Garden, bold brushstroke florals in navy, teal, and coral, feels hand-painted, expressive, and energetic. Marble Dreams, swirled cobalt, magenta, and gold with a marble stone vibe. Rich, colorful, and completely unique. All 4 vinyls are 0.9 millimeter thick. They are flexible but structured and sold in pre-cut 18 by 53 inch rolls. Last, faux woven vinyls. They aren't fabric, they're vinyl, printed to look like woven textiles. Black and white, a clean graphic pattern that mimics real weave. Multi, warm, earthy tones and a printed textile look. They're lightweight, structured, and great to sew on anything from a domestic to an industrial sewing machine. Also, quick to mention our new silicone slap bracelets for vinyl storage released last week. They're $1 each and perfect for keeping your vinyl rolls neat and secure. I forgot to include those in last week's new release video. All vinyls are available now at sewyours.com. Stock is limited, so if you've got your eye on something, grab it while it's available. Shop now and bring something original to your next bag making project.